the worst way. Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought we would do a fun little get ready with me. Some of these products I got at the dollar store, some of these products I got at Walmart. All of the products I'm using today are super affordable. So let's get to the video. The product I'm going to be using for today's makeup is this inflatable Pro Glow in the shade 206 right here. This foundation is a really good foundation. I find myself using this all the time here lately. I have some eyeliner on my hand because I actually went eyeliner shopping today. I'm out of my good high-end eyeliner, so I went out trying to find some good eyeliner, and no, I could not find any that was like really good. So if you guys know of any good drugstore eyeliners, let me know, because it really sucks having to order my eyeliner, because whenever I run out, I don't have a backup, and that really sucks. Okay, I think that's better, guys, since I fixed the light. It's a lot better, actually. I can see what I'm doing. I normally don't have to do my neck like this. I normally just throw a little bit of bronzer on it, but because my spray tan situation I got going on, I want to make sure that my neck matches with my face, so we're doing the neck. Alright, on to the next thing. I'm just going to be doing like a really quick everyday makeup look, because like I said, I just have a couple meetings to go to today, so I'm not going to be doing anything like extravagant. So we're just going to be doing something that's quick, easy, something that you could do like every day. I got this, yesterday I totally forgot to put on any concealer. I almost died. I could totally tell. I seen the bags under my eyes. This is Broadway Camouflage Concealer in Ivory. Got this at the dollar store. It's actually really good. I like the applicator. So what are your all's plans for this summer? Are you guys excited to like get out of school? I know school's getting ready to be out soon. We get out around here in 2 weeks, so that will be amazing. I cannot wait. And we're already planning like vacation, so comment down below. Let me guys know where you're going on vacation. What are your all's big plans for this summer? Are you guys getting a summer job? Are you guys just gonna relax all summer? Are you all going on vacation? What are you all doing? I am planning vacation right now. Like, I cannot wait to go on vacation. I think it's like the thing that I'm looking forward to the most. I know some of you guys are probably thinking, why isn't she using her beauty blender? It is a long story. Anyways, my beauty blender got destroyed, and yes, I do have like 4 beauty blenders, but all of my other ones are super dirty and I haven't took the time to clean them, so that's why I'm not using a beauty blender right now. I'm gonna be making a video about the quickest way to clean your beauty blender. I'm gonna try to get that video done today and get it posted tomorrow, because I found some super quick ways to clean your beauty blender and clean your makeup brushes and things, even your eyeshadow brushes. So you guys be on the lookout for that video, because I'm gonna try to upload it tomorrow. I'm so excited. Hopefully I can get this video up today. It'll be a miracle though to get like a video recorded and up in the same day, because it takes your girl a long time to edit these videos. Like, I think some people don't see like how much time and work really goes into making videos. I got this Wet n Wild contour stick right here at the dollar store. It was $4. It is in the color 804A. Oaks on You. And to be honest, for to be like a drugstore contour stick, this works really good. I love the way that it goes on and it blends out really nice. So if you guys haven't tried this one, I would give it a try. Then I'm just going to take the same brush and blend this all in. And it blends out like really nice, really nice. Cardi B, oh my god, I'm just loving her. You know, I love her whole entire attitude. She just don't give a shit, you know? She tells the world what she thinks right whenever she thinks it. She's amazing. I'm loving her new album. Who do you guys listen to the most? Like, what's some of y'all's favorite songs? I'm trying to make like a good playlist for our road trip that we're going on in 2 weeks. Because you gotta have music in the car, you know? I mean, you gotta jam out when you're stuck in the car for 12 hours on a road trip. So send me some of your all's favorite songs that you all listen to down in the comments below. Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck lane to lane. Blow out the brain. I go insane. I drop a check on the chain. Pick up a check in the. For the setting powder, I'm going to be using the Air Spun right here, this powder. I'm just going to be putting it like under my eyes. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera because they take me like 30 minutes to draw them on. As you guys know, I don't have any eyebrows. Like, it drives me crazy not having eyebrows. So now I'm going to go ahead and go on to the eyes. I normally do my eyes first, like before I even do any foundation or anything, but today I guess I slipped up. So let's hope I don't have a lot of fallout. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Naked Goldens right here. This is also from the drugstore, of course, but I really love this palette. It works really good. I'm going to first go in with the lightest shade right here using a fluffy brush just like this one. My biggest mistake that I make with like my eyeshadow brushes and all that is not cleaning them like before I use them, you know, because let's say I did my makeup yesterday, you know, I come in today and I'll just get them out of my thing and start using them. So I've started trying to remind myself to always just like do this and make sure that I have all of the eyeshadow off of them, you know. I also clean my eyeshadow brushes like once a week, but for every day, you know, you have to remember to just make sure there's no color on them from like the day before, because if so, it's just gonna make your whole entire eyeshadow look not turn out the way that you want it to. So try to remember that, because that has been like a really big struggle of mine doing my makeup. So I'm gonna be using a brush like this right here. It's kind of flat on the sides, but puffy towards the top. Medium shadow brush. I'm going to be going with this color right here. and I'm gonna put that in the crease. And we're gonna go in with this color right down here. I'm going to take this color right here, put it on the inner corners. So pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the shimmer in it, but ooh, I hope it goes on as good as it looks. I know, I shouldn't be using this much for an everyday makeup look. So, skip this part. If you don't like a lot of highlighter, don't add this much highlighter, because I'm just going crazy because I just found this. Like, we're gonna do our lips, and I'm using a rose nude color from Cosmetics. I know this is not from the drugstore, but you could just use any kind of nude color gloss or lipstick that you want to use. I've just got my nails done after, look. Do you guys like them? I just got so excited, and they turned out really good. I think anyways. I'm happy with them. I don't know what you guys think, but yeah. Like, look at this hair. I need a hairbrush in the worst way to even like make myself look halfway decent. What if we put in some big earrings? Then it would make it look like we're not having a crappy hair day. What do you all think? Think we can pull it off? Like, oh my god, I gotta have my hair done, I gotta have my hair fixed. I'm just one of those people that, no, gotta have my hair halfway decent, either like a cute little ponytail or something like that. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I might post a little picture or something towards the end, like after I straighten my hair, because I probably won't leave it this way. Honestly, maybe. No, look at that. No, it's gotta, that would drive me crazy all day. So yeah, sorry, I've totally rambled on in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, everyday makeup look that you can get with drugstore products, affordable. I hope you guys enjoyed a little chit chat, kind of hanging out. Comment down below, let me know what type of videos you guys want to see next. Be sure, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on the notifications while you're there. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video.
6.5 hours later.
So if you haven't tried the Wet n Wild eyeliner highlighter, be sure you guys go grab some, because I love it. I hope you guys like this everyday makeup look. Like, this would be a cute picture, wouldn't it? Maybe, maybe not. Okay, I'm going, guys, for real. Love you.
Ask me light a fire like I'm on song. Act a fool on stage, probably leave my show.